that thing's leaking from. Maybe we got problems.
Hey, Landon,
Yeah,
just fall in.
Just fall in. I don't know if you guys have been wondering or not, but Landon's old square body. We've had it in and out of the shop a bunch of times. He's been putting the miles on that thing. We built the motor for it, we built the tranny for it. Life's been good with it. It's developed a transmission leak. We're gonna pull it in, see if we can get that all fixed up and get him back on the road and put some miles on. So let's get in the shop.
Look at that beast. What's the plan on this old girl today?
Figure out why the transmission's leaking fluid. Because I don't know where it's coming from.
It's a good plan. We'll get her figured.
Is it the ball joint or is it bearings?
The hubs. It could be the
About to fall
bearings.
off.
Don't you love that, Land?
No, this
Throw
is
it
just,
on the lift to
it's
fix
asking
something else.
for a one-time. That's what it's asking for.
Well,
It's not even
there's
leaking.
some fluid on the pan there. Do you think you found the culprit?
I believe so.
What do you think it is?
It's those stupid transmission lines.
Those cooler lines
Transmission cooler lines.
that we freaking changed like 8 times. These lines right here. Think they're just not tight. See if that works. Tighten them up a little bit.
Tom reached his hand up in there and moved one. So they're either loose or not tight enough.
I reached up in there and touched it and that line moved. Feels tight right there. How about this other one?
I haven't checked it yet.
It's facing the wrong way. It needs to be turned.
And that's the only one we can get in there to.
We're filming this bad.
We are.
We are filming.
We already started without you.
Now you need to spray it off.
Magic can right here.
Okay, drip shot there. We'll let her down and go for a rip in it. That'll tell you.
What do you think, Lamb?
I'm hoping we got her fixed this time.
It does sound good.
It does sound good. Let's see if she's a leaker or not. She runs good. I didn't know you were a cowboy, Land.
Well, Merlin told me since I had the stupid pack holder in here, he's like, there should be a hat in there. I'm like, well, I don't got one. So I bought one and threw in it.
There you go, Merlin. He's got a hat now. Alright, Land, what's your bets? I've been looking behind us. There's no trail of oil.
There should.
Well, we're about to find out right now.
Well,
I think she's good.
let's look.
Oh, she's not good.
No,
I
it's
can
not
see
good.
oil. No, that is not good.
It's that back fitting. Pull it in the shop. Put it back on the hoist. We'll deal with that. It's the back fitting.
Well, she's not fixed.
She's not fixed. It was a good thought. We thought we fixed it, but she's a leaker. That back fitting still? Paul torqued her down real tight. We'll see if that makes a difference.
I don't know what its dilemma is. I don't know exactly where it was leaking, so it's hard to tell. Power brake it a little bit. Put some pressure on it. Can't see any leaks. Red just got it. We'll let down the tape.
I'm gonna take her for another little drive. Right now, doesn't seem to be leaking.
I'll go take it down and back.
Alright, we'll see it. going up once again.
I don't think those lines are leaking. We're gonna slip a hose on that.
What I was gonna say.
But maybe let's leave it up. Let me grab a hose.
You want to tell us the diagnosis?
Diagnosis says we can't find a leak. We can find a lot of oil, but no leak.
What's the hose for?
Paul
though?
thinks that it might be warming up and pushing fluid out the overflow on the top, or the vent on the top. And we're gonna put a hose on it and see if we can run it down and isolate that from spraying all over everything. Because currently, there's a lot of oil to find stuff in.
If that's what it is, there's an internal problem in the transmission that's creating heat. Tranny's hot right now. Like, it's been what, 6 miles? This thing has a giant cooler on the front of it. You shouldn't. Cooler's not real hot.
So that's our theory. We'll
Let it
see.
down. Maybe we got problems. Both lines are hot coming out of the cooler, so it's circulating. And the tranny lines aren't like burning me; they're warm. I really think it's coming out of that thing's pointed right towards where the oil is all at. Fire it up, Lynn. We might as well just make sure the tranny fluid isn't a gallon over full or something. We may know the problem. Oil's right there. Should be right there. It's coming out of the breather. We'll fix that.
Did you get any on you?
Hardly, a little.
I wonder how many times it's gone up and down now.
A lot.
Let us know in the comments.
Let it clear down. You're gonna be driving it. We're just barely above full right now. It'll be.
Will be mint.
Now go drive it now and she won't be leaking.
Let's do this one more time.
Alright, great. Predictions are no leaks when he gets back here. I think it had a little more gallon and a half-ish too much fluid in it. Like, I don't know what he was doing, but somehow he checked it way wrong. So when he gets back, we'll give it a once over. I'm sure it won't be leaking and stuff anymore. I am sick to death of transmission problems. Going standard in everything. Hey, what do you know? Fixed. Good to go. It's night, but we're going on a recovery. Dar's with me today. We're gonna run over to Hog Canyon. We got a Toyota 4Runner stuck in the river. Hopefully I can get to it without getting wet, but Dar was at the house, so he's going with me. We'll take you guys along. We'll go see if we can get this car out. Oh, let's go to K-Nav, I guess.
Way much better.
Oh yeah, those lights are bright in the front. Those big round things, they put out some light. Alright, where's this road? We are close.
Is that our waders?
That's Jess.
That looks like Richard's Jeep.
Did you pull them out? No? Alright, well, we'll go try it then, I guess. Alright, turn the hub in real quick. Well, let's go see what we can do here. Must be fairly stuck if he jerked the frame off on his Jeep.
Yeah.
Rear frame cross member out.
I remember rebuilding mine because the factory ends aren't very tough. His
Said
tracks went
stay
that
right.
way. Looks like he came through the creek. I don't see a track.
They're right there.
Oh, that's where they're stuck. I think he went across and,
Down the side.
well, it looked like his tracks, there was wet coming out of the creek. So he crossed the creek.
I I'm just going down. If we get stuck, we get stuck.
Never know how boggy that is. That don't look too bad from here, but
Go assess that situation real quick. Well, that looks stuck. Yeah. Oh, geez. How far did you go clear down?
So I dropped in right here, come out of the trees, and I came across, and it just
Sunk right there. That is sunk. All right, well, we'll see if we can manage this. That should be interesting. You?
oh yeah, I just happened to be there.
I'll turn around, see if we can get hooked on and lift that thing up, pull it out of there.
Watch out. Come over here.
Here, Dar. You're qualified for that.
Oh, what was that old Chevy? Two-wheel drive, long bed.
67 Chev.
I remember one time you were in shop class. I don't know what you were doing, but I was walking down that long ramp that went into the Delta shop class,
Yep.
and you were coming up that and you were just rocking on it. Picking the front tires up off the ground. I seen that truck the other day on one of your videos.
That was a fun old truck.
I think you hit a bunch of deer in it, didn't you?
I did. The good old days. That's good. I think we'll go to that same. No. We'll get the suction broke. There we go. Oh yeah. You don't break the suction, it just starts ripping parts off of them. Yeah, you can jump in it now, and I'll pull you up out of there. No sweat. Yeah, you don't break the suction, it's over. Just that little bit of elevation changes the whole game. Well, we're going home.
Oh, yeah.
You don't owe me anything, man.
Sure.
Yeah, no, it's good. Well,
Good to
make some
see
money
you.
that way. Yeah, anytime. You guys get in a bad way, call us up. Yep, we'll see you guys.
Good to see you.
Yeah. See if I can get in this thing. Problem is,
Bail in, Dar.
Yeah,
just
gotta-
fall in.
just fall in.
Yeah. We won't go in the same exact tracks again.
Yeah. Just a little bit of show off, huh?
Gotta flip some mud, right?
Yeah. So how many RPM was that?
5.
Just 5, huh?
Yeah, we still got 2 more.
Yeah.
That's that. That was fairly easy.
Yeah.
I'll turn the hubs out real quick and we'll go on home. Just got back from recovery with Dar. All was well. We got them pulled out, sent them on their way, and we made it home. Time to take the shoes off, kick back, and relax. So until next time, thanks for watching.